G-Mech again, back with you with another video. What you're looking at is a 16 horsepower Kohler engine off of a John Deere riding mower. And this engine had a problem. I actually got this mower given to me, and it had a problem where it would start to knock under major load. And we're going to try and get this back together tomorrow, get the oil pan and everything torqued up, clean everything up. But right here was the problem. If I can demonstrate by holding the camera at the same time. So if we take, this is the good lifter. As you can see, there's no play. But if you look at this one, I can actually move that lifter right there. So when it got under load, it would actually not open the intake valve, which created the knocking and carrying on, and the mower would actually act like shutting off at times. So in a future video, I'll show the motor back together and complete, but I just passed that video on to, like, if you ever get a mower where it just seems like it's starving for fuel and it has an engine knock, this could be a very good possibility of the cause of it. So we had it all apart, we had the piston out, we inspected it, we looked at the connecting rod, we couldn't find anything. The inside of the engine looks nice and clean, and everything just seems right. So we're gonna put this back together, and hopefully it'll run, and put it back on the John Deere tractor it's on, and we'll show the future video on that. So again, this is G-Mech. Like, subscribe, and keep on wrenching.